all, so I wanted to show you the results from the IoT hackathon the other day. The goal of this project is to be really, really simple and not have anything hard coded. So once you flash this project to your Arduino, that's it. You can configure it to go to your Wi-Fi of your choice, to the server of your choice. There's nothing, you can give it to your friend and then they can use it and you don't have to open Arduino IDE anymore, and that's it. So the setup, the way the thing this is going to do is, this is a moisture sensor, this is the ESP8266, and what it's going to do once it's set up is transmit the results from the moisture sensor to an MQTT server, which is a server which lets you receive usually IoT information and then do whatever you like with it. So the setup is, the wiring is really, really simple. It's basically the moisture sensor connected to the power and ground pin, and the analog out of the sensor is connected to the analog in of the ESP8266. That's it. It takes around 10 to 5 seconds to assemble one of these. So if you have one of these laying around, it's really easy to make. Once you do that, in order to go into the setup mode, all you got to do is just hit the reset button several times, and it will bring up a Wi-Fi access point which you can set up. So if I go over to my laptop over here, you can see that a new access point came up, never been used, and I can connect to this. Once I do that, I can navigate to the following address, 192.168.4.1. It's the default, it comes up in every Arduino you put. The name of the Arduino is going to be different according to the ID that it has. Then you can configure it with this really neat web interface. Pick your Wi-Fi access point. I'm just going to clear up the results here so you can see it tells you what it is. You can put in your Wi-Fi password and your MQTT server and topic. So let me just do that. I'm going to call this moisture 2 because you will see moisture 1 in a second. Hit save. That's it. The credentials are saved. The ESP8266 will reboot, connect to the Wi-Fi access point, and start transmitting data. I'm going to see if I can connect to the server it's connected to. Oh, right, it won't connect because I need to reconnect to my Wi-Fi. That's why it didn't work. So I'm just going to, you see the Wi-Fi access point just boom went. I'll connect to my Wi-Fi. Here we go. And then I can connect to the MQTT server. I'm going to give it called moisture 2. And, oh, wait, not to publish, subscribe. We want to subscribe to the topic that we have. Click subscribe. And we get the results, which is 0 at the moment. Because it's not connected to anything. I do have one that is actually connected, so let's unsubscribe to this, connect to a different one. We can set up. These ISPs are using the exact same code, so this is really useful here. This one says 62. Once you have the information coming in, you can do all the cool stuff you would want to, connect it to a Grafana and then graph it's not really brilliant now, but you can see the idea. Get the data coming in, display it, graph it, whatever. This is all open source, and you can go into this in the link in the description. And that's it. Just to sort of end on a good note. Here's my balcony. Here's an ESP8266. And here's a moisture sensor. Ignore the other setup around it. So that's it. It works. Enjoy.